Hey everyone! Today we are looking at Yaizu Railway Kominka no宿in Shizuoka, Japan. Before you book your stay, make sure to check the link or scan the QR code in the description for the safest booking rates. This is a traditional Kominka-style guesthouse, offering a unique, historic Japanese living experience rather than a standard modern hotel. As the name suggests, you can actually hear the cries of seagulls here, indicating its close proximity to the port town atmosphere. The property boasts an impressive 9.4 out of 10 score, with particularly high marks for its facilities, which sit at a 9.3. You are within walking distance of Yaizu Railway Station, about 980 m, making it accessible for train travelers. Unlike many urban Japanese accommodations, this property offers free parking, which is a huge plus if you are planning a coastal road trip. If you love hot springs, the Sun Life Yaizu Kuroshio hot spring is just 310 meters away, making it very easy to visit daily. Rooms come equipped with essential comforts like air conditioning, heaters, and free Wi-Fi to keep you connected. The property includes kitchen facilities, allowing you to prepare your own meals or snacks during your stay. While the service and facilities are rated highly, the value for money score is a bit lower at 7.0, so consider your budget accordingly. You will find free Wi-Fi available in all guest rooms and throughout the public communal spaces. Overall, this is a fantastic choice if you want an authentic, highly rated Japanese experience near the coast. Don't forget to use the link in the description to secure your booking safely.